chilling on the water. This is what we like to do.
I'm qualified too. I can't believe it.
Happened you need. So I appear to have lost all of the footage of the guys sanding the boat down and doing a great job of the antifouling, as you're about to see. Progress.
I thought you were waiting for the car and I was going to say, they're not round there. They're not round there. We can wind you up.
Wind up merchants. I'm here. Looking good.
You were going to say the bottom one done and we fucked off.
Yeah, I was going to say they've left it. I was. No one there.
No one wants to paint it. Looks smooth. Look at that. Looking good. Alright. So that's anti-fouling. The guy's coming in a minute to look at the diesel boat. Oh, what happening? Today's progress. Bloody raining. Get under here with the guys. What's happening, guys? Look at that. Shiny props.
It's all dry, mate. There's going to be a bit by there.
One brand new one and one repaired one.
Yeah, that's half price in the other one.
Has it?
Yeah, look pretty neat, doesn't it, Cal? Yeah.
Best boat. Let's go. Best boat. I was just going to say I best write my name on these, aren't I?
Yeah, photos of them now because they would look like that tomorrow.
Yeah.
Now, Ben, your props are fucked already.
Yeah, they look good, don't they? That's right. And it's not stopped raining since we bought this bloody boat, so polishing has not got any further. The anti-fouling's done. So we've got all that to polish.
Right, that's recorded. I did say to them you're going to have to edit us out because they'll probably be some swearing and stuff like that. I've got a nice sized light put down there as well, for a bit more of it.
It's all disconnected.
Yeah, I know that's right.
You've got to put that pallet there, correct?
I know, how it is. It's heavy stuff.
Not that heavy. Like this bit now. I wonder where it's got some rope.
Yeah, get knocked off now. Don't have a left in for it. Stay up over there for him. You're swearing. Get a bit of lift on it. 1, 2, 3. There we go. There we go.
Right, so we stand back here.
It does. We go up first. Point that up. Straight up.
Yeah, boy.
Yes. 2, 3. Let's pack right away.
Will it still come out that way?
Right, progress. Right hand. Coming out. It's all happening. The generator's coming out, it's about to be craned out. This is the boat so far. More progress, the strike's been done. A little bit of finishing. She is looking good. It's pretty windy today. It's not raining, well it's been raining, but it's stopped for a moment.
If we lift it up, see, and get it this high, we'll slide that in, drop it, and then if we need to, we can go again.
Yeah.
But we might be alright. We might be able to go all the way. Just go straight down with it. We'll have to roll through. On your foot, see? Yeah, go on, keep rolling, keep going back as he was. Back. Go on, keep going, keep going. Keep going, if you can. Or you want to go off the bit there. Just tuck the blanket under a bit more there.
What is for? Hold on, big quick.
Yeah.
Right. Before a bit. That's all right.
On the ground?
Yep.
Yeah. Alright, generator's out. Glad I popped down for that. And if you want to know why we're taking a perfectly good working generator out of the boat, that's because to create more room for a washing machine for the bird. And we're going to go battery bank and quiet lithium. So we'll use that space for other things. Alright. Cheers. Morning guys, it's 8:30 on a Saturday morning. Ugh. And I'm back in the yard. So this weekend is the only full weekend I've got working on the boat. And it's going to rain in a bit and I'm going to chuck it down tomorrow. But Richard and Mr. Kelly, not to be confused with Kelly Bird, have done a great job of the anti-foul and repainting the stripe. And look how those props have come out. Beautiful. So I've not got very far with the cutting and polishing because of the weather. I've got to the engine vent on that top strip. That's as far as I got. But she's looking good. So anodes are coming this week and they're being fitted. Hopefully I'll get a bit of dry weather and I can get and cut and polish this hull and polish that little smudge out. She is looking good. So we removed the generator, and a lot of people think, well, why do you remove a perfectly good generator? Well, because we don't need it. It's a big unit, takes up a lot of space, and the bird wants a washing machine. So, and we're going to put some lithium batteries in. Let's take you inside. So yeah, down here, and you'll probably see in a video when I edit it in where the generator used to live, and now, so gained a big space. I've ordered a washing machine. It doesn't quite fit, but we'll make it fit. So the bird said she wants a washing machine. I said I want some underwater lights. She said if you can fit a washing machine, you can have your underwater lights. Anyway, I've ordered it, so what I've got to do now is make it fit. That's tomorrow's job when it's raining. So inside, still a bit of a mess because we're doing jobs. So the fuel tank senders are out, they'll be cleaned. Fuel gauges all work now. I've put some sockets in over there, some new ones there, and some new ones there. And this is a cool one. I found a back box, so it can be mounted. This bit here blends in quite well. I ordered another one of those because you can't flush mount plugs everywhere. Yeah, that's where we're up to. So I'm going to crack on before it rains and see you soon. Well, this is rare. The sun's actually come out, so I made a little bit of progress. I'm about to start on this level, but I've done all the way along that level. There we are. A lot to go. Alright, let's get on with it. Right, me and brother Rich are back at it. He's down here sorting out the cooker.
So then the cable long enough to pull it out.
Alright. We turned off the power.
Cooker's off, isn't it?
Cooker's off, but I'll turn it.
I'll test it first, go on.
Oh yeah, he's going to test it.
Put your tongue on it.
Put my tongue on it. Now, I'm going to go down here and paint this area before we put the washing machine in. So, that's a long way down. So, yeah, washing machine's going to hopefully fit in here. We'll find out tomorrow when we go and pick it up. Yeah, it could be a discrepancy of a few mil. Oh well. So we're going to paint all this. So it's got a nice shiny stainless fuel tank. No, that's water tank, sorry. That's a water tank. So our waste toilet tank. Water pump, water filter. Steering. Another water tank. This pipe's a little bit annoying, joining the two together, but we'll see if we can make it a little bit longer and move it around a bit. Harbourfestival diesel heater, dinghy in a bag, and some other bits. Alright, more jobs. And the sun's come back out. It keeps raining, so it stops me from polishing, so I keep coming in and then going back out and coming in and going back out, so I thought, sod it. Do some jobs in here. So we're getting on with things. In a mess, but we're getting on. Right, that was a bit harder work than I thought. So I painted in here. I shut the hatch just to keep it anything falling in. Looks a bit better. Ready for the bird's surprise washing machine. Brother Rich is shut this down. Brother Rich has got a shit job. He's oh, that stinks. Fucking hell. Oh. Oh, what are you doing, brother?
Not very good. They're alright. There's those cheapy screw bit ones.
Yeah, I've got some decent ones. God, that stinks.
That's a waft on, isn't it?
Is that the
It's not bad, mate.
no, it's not as I've read about.
Not bad. Mess.
Freaking stinks. I wouldn't get a beer. Ugh.
Get used after a while.
Ah dear. Ugh. Ugh.